Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to get Nitro codes for free. Getting free Discord Nitro codes is possible through legitimate methods, but you should always be cautious of scams. Many Discord servers, streamers, and influencers host Nitro giveaways where you can win free codes. Some platforms like Microsoft Rewards, Bing Rewards, and Game Loot programs occasionally let users redeem points for Nitro codes. Some Nitro subscribers also receive giftable Nitro codes or server boosts they can give away. Always verify the legitimacy of the server before participating. You have to subscribe to the Nitro option. Then it'll open the Discord website and make sure to log in. It offers a plan that starts at $2.99 per month. Nitro Basic costs $2.99 and Nitro costs $9.99. Next, click on Gift Nitro shown at the top. You can select the Nitro plan by paying a one-time charge of $9.99. Then click on the Select button and select the payment method. Enter the card number, expiration date, CVC, and name of the card. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.